I'm just giving a simple example for Spark SQL. If I run this, right? So this is same. I'm trying to find out total records in my data frame. So this is straight away. You can just say count from the data frame. You can use the count operation. If you want to, this is expressing a operation in a data frame structure. Just a minute. I'm getting one. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah. So you are getting right. So basically here I'm just expressing my logic in a using the SQL interface or SQL query. Here I'm just using the data frame functions or data frame operations.
Yes.
Okay, so this is in a very high level. It is this way we will do. But internally you have a different methods for specific purpose you have. So that we will see going forward. Any other question, Prakash? If you have any question, we'll take it up. Otherwise, I'll just go with the regular flow.
No, yeah, I'm good. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we'll come back to this example later. I want to show you few things. So, like this is the way you read your CSV file and create data frame. Okay. Now I'll just go back to. I will start my uh, Jupyter notebook. Okay, so you can actually write your PySpark code in Python, like as we discussed earlier. You can write in PySpark and also in Jupyter notebook. Okay, I am I'm using in specific Python virtual environment. So I'll just activate my virtual environment. I created one virtual environment for data making. So here only I installed all the packages. So Jupyter. Okay, so yesterday we were discuss how to create a JSON data frame from the JSON file, and we have to. There is one more example we left, which is how to create a data frame from the nested JSON file. So if you look at the okay, so if this is the JSON, say if it is in only one level, say example, if you don't have this, we can just directly go and read Spark session. Uh, so a Spark session object dot read dot JSON, and if you give the path, if your input is like this in only one level, it's not having sub nested JSON, then it will give you data frame and with this as one column and with this value. So it will have one data frame. That's a data frame with the one row, which is so this is going to act as a column, and it give it okay. But if we have a nested structure, okay, so we are going to see how data frame will look like. Then how do you parse this and make it as a flattened data frame? Okay. So we will look into this. Okay, so here if you make sure that you need to actually you run this and you want to run your code in Jupyter Notebook. Important thing is you have a PySpark package installed. Okay, so nowadays the PySpark package comes as a Python package. Uh, it's a package. Python PySpark comes as a Python package, so you can go and install using a pip install command. So if you use pip install that PySpark package, it will install it. Uh, So first you need to import this Spark session class from PySpark.sql package. Then you create a Spark session object using a builder method and pass your properties like app name and master, which is a cluster manager, and if you have any configurations, you can pass those. And this get or create will give you a Spark session object. So now this is our JSON file located here, and so let's put this. The path is different here. Since we are reading from a local file system, which is Linux file system, so we need to use the prefix, which is file double colon followed by the path. Okay. And we were reading this. So you need to when you read this JSON, when you use a JSON API, Spark session dot read dot JSON, you have to give the path of your JSON file and whether your JSON message or data is in a single line or multi-line. So you need to specify that. If it is in a multi-line, you have to provide this property. And let's see how this data frame look like. Okay, so first I will comment out this. I will run this. Okay, so first we will create a Spark session object. And now I am going to run this to create a data frame from the JSON file. And if you look at here, so it actually having a only one